back to Alfa Romeo 4C restoration project, and today I think will be the last episode when you see completely disassembled car. As I said before, I have decided to completely repaint all car and change the color, and to do this we needed to remove all of the outside panels. And once all of the panels was removed, I was very curious about the weight of completely naked 4C. So I have prepared scales, and now we will find it out. And now let's start the car and move her to flat surface where it will be possible to put scales and see what is the weight of the car. Unfortunately, I don't have those professional scales which you put under each of the wheel and you see all of the results. I have only one scale which can weight around 500 kilograms. I believe it should be far enough for C. And what I did, I prepared some stands from the wood which have the same height as my scale. And I believe accuracy of this method will be not the same as for those professional scales, but for me it is enough to see approximate weight of each side of the car. So for the front right wheel we have 180 kilograms. So I will put scale under each of the wheel, and in the sum we will see what is the exact weight of naked 4C. So for the right wheel we have 288 kilograms. So rear left is 290 kilograms. And for the front left wheel, she has 190 kilograms. So in total car weight 950 kilograms, and I would say that I was expecting that she will weight less than this number, but seems to be all numbers that I saw in internet was talking about dry weight, without fluid, without any other stuff, but currently my 4C has almost half of the fuel tank, obviously oil, obviously coolant, and all of that liquids also adds weight. Previously I was checking in original catalogs how much does outside panel weighs, and for my calculation it was around 200 kilograms. So it seems that weight of my 4C will be more than 1 ton. Yes, Spider's a little bit heavier than coupe versions, but I was expecting that it will be around 1 ton, maybe a little bit less. Because as I said before, I have replaced frames for European versions that weighs less than US version. But seems weight will be around this number. And now what I want to do, I haven't seen this over the internet anywhere, that nobody tried to drive 4C like this, naked 4C. So now let's put her on the ground and see what it's like to drive naked 4C on the real road. what can I say? It is completely insane car. Maybe it's because doors is removed, maybe it's because you are near to the ground, but acceleration feels insane. I can't find the words to explain this, but I really enjoyed this. And even in comparison with my Giulia Quadrifoglio, I think acceleration 0 to 40, 0 to 30, it's Giulia is even not standing near this car. And it's true about all of the lightweight cars, as I read in the internet, because previously I haven't drove such cars before, such light cars. Only the fastest car that I drove was my Giulia, and I didn't expect that. That's the only word that I can find. So what can I say? In the next episode I think we will assemble all of the body panels, and new color of the car will be revealed. I hope you all will enjoy this. By the way, all body panels is already painted and waiting to assemble and to put them on the car in this building, but it will be a surprise to all of you to see what color I chosen. And I will say that it will be the one foresee in the world in this color. It is original Alfa Romeo color, factory color, but unfortunately 4C was never painted in this color. And I decided to choose this color to make this 4C unique. So thanks to all of you for watching. Please share your suggestions on weight of this car. Maybe someone from you have more information about weight of the car, about European, about US version, but it's very interesting to hear some suggestions on not on dry weight, but on carb weight. So with all of the fluids, with all of the fuel and all of that. Maybe someone did weight of his car. So please share this information on comment, and see you in the next episode. Bye.